This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Captiva 7 LT, stock reference number 5697. The shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has one small dent, left power door mirror does have some scratches on the edge, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one large dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, we have the left-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.